Every year, over 500 million wet wipes are used for domestic cleaning, sanitizing, and personal hygiene. What's great about these wet wipes are their convenience, easy, effective, and ready to use for kitchens, bathrooms, babies, and offices. However, what consumers don't realize is that wet wipes are the leading cause of pollution, being responsible for over 90% of sewage blockages worldwide, including Hong Kong's $1 billion annual cleanup crisis.
Traditional wet wipes contain plastic fibers and non-biodegradable materials that take hundreds of years to break down. They also pack harsh chemicals like alcohol, causing skin irritation, allergic reactions, and infection risks.
That's where MeltWipes comes in. We are an innovative PVA cloth infused with low organic ingredients, packaged, ready to use with built-in moisture for ultimate freshness and no drying out. We deliver the same powerful cleaning as traditional wet wipes, but gentler, natural, and baby safe. To finish up, simply drop into hot water. It fully dissolves in 30 seconds, leaving no waste behind. Wipe, use, dissolve. A sustainable revolution, as simple as that.
So, how does this work? PVA, or polyvinyl alcohol, is a water-soluble polymer that stays strong and absorbent at room temperature for powerful cleaning. But at 60 Celsius above or hot water, its hydrogen bonds break rapidly, full the solution via hydrolysis. This leaves behind only water and carbon dioxide, ensuring skin safety. The wet wipes market proves it's a classic red ocean bloodbath. Growing steadily with 5.6 billion in 2026, the market is expected to grow 5 to 6% yearly, predicted to reach 8 to 10 billion by 2032. Steady but no explosive growth. The mass market at 66% of sales just keeps slashing prices, while the premium eco segment grows at a slow 7% CAGR, scraping tiny margins on greenwashing claims that don't always deliver.
Everyone fights for over 10-cent price cuts, artificial scents, big pack sizes, and 90% of bacteria kills all claims, while sacrificing real sustainability. Same cleaning power, their result, trash mounted. Our result, empty mug. It's simple. You wet grease, drop it in a mug, pour hot water, and watch it vanish in 30 seconds.
Many big wet wipes target high-volume groups who can benefit from wet wipes. For example, family-use wet wipes, shoppers testing bamboos or plant wipes occasionally, gym-goers, travelers avoiding wipes entirely because of dirty wipe disposal problems, and cafes, offices forced by plastic bans or ESG rules but can't use flushables.
Our target market includes groups who face problems using wet wipes, such as skin irritation, questionable freshness, and difficulty disposing them. We seek market potential in our product because it targets multiple underserved groups.
Our product continues to target eco-conscious parents and households while also targeting our free tiers, which include urban young professionals and students, travelers, hikers, gym goers, and commercial operations under regulation.
So a little bit more about our blue ocean solution. What we eliminate, trash and disposal problems forever. No plastic tubs or sewage cloggings. MeltWipes PVA fully dissolves in hot water, and you can simply pour it down your drain.
We reduce the brainless one-toss convenience and those brutal 10-cent price fights. Instead of throwing away wipes, you do a quick 30 to 60-second hot water dunk, which completely dissolves the product. No waste at all.
We raise legitimate sustainability and skin surface safety. Our visual proof crushes greenwashing. You watch it vanish instantly for bulletproof trust.
We create a temperature-controlled dissolution ritual as hot water triggers satisfying waste-gone magic, which is great for social media. Plus, we solve regulatory headaches as MeltWipes Zero Solid Waste passes ESG audits for cafes, offices, and school. Bulk dissolve stations make compliance effortless. As of now, we've built a digital prototype that illustrates how MeltWipe will look, feel, and perform once brought to market. This early version serves as a proof of concept which demonstrates the power of the PVA water-soluble technology. Our next step is to refine the design, packaging, and sensory experience through UX feedback and lab testing to ensure an intuitive, premium product that delivers on our wipe, use, dissolve promise. Our go-to market strategy blends digital storytelling and sensory engagement. For months 1 to 3, we hit Instagram/TikTok with viral 60-second proof demos targeting 18 to 35-year-olds. Influencer or UGC collabs with eco-parents and travelers for authentic reactions, educational reels on PVA science and wet wipe pollution, as well as challenges for loops. Months 4 to 6 mean immersive pop-ups to cities like Hong Kong, Tokyo, where visitors can test cleaning power, see live dissolution in hot water, and join theme events at cafes or gyms. Our MeltWipe cost structure is a profitability powerhouse as our strong PVA cloth, baby-safe actives, and sleek packaging keep costs lean. This delivers massive gross margins on family packs and travel packs. MeltWipe turns wet wipe trash crisis into a blue ocean revolution. We eliminate sewer-clogging waste, raise true sustainability with visual proof, and create viral dissolution magic, all while delivering powerful baby-safe cleaning at lean cost for rapid scaling. Wipe, use, dissolve. We're ready to launch this uncontested market and make zero waste cleaning the new everyday reality.